everybody, welcome to, what date's this, Ryan? 14. This is Ryan, everybody. He's the master of the channel. Say hello, Ryan. Hello. And this is Kieran. Hello. He wants nothing to do with it. So this is the machine here. Oh dear. So this is a Mavic Air 2. So what we've done, we fully charged it up. We've got our operator's license on because we had to register this drone. Fully charged the battery up. Popped on the propellers. They're just push on propellers. So you see one's got no marking on it and the other one's got a silver ring. So you match the silver ring with this little silver bit here. So it's silver, no it's silver, silver, no it's silver, so that's it. And then we updated the firmware, Ryan, is that right? Updated the firmware, and so it's just a matter of going and putting our phone in. So that's the phone finally in the cradle. I'm going to record the takeoff, the screen with the built-in iOS app. Drone's ready to go.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.